Hello everyone, welcome back to this video series. In our previous episode, we have designed a border space. Okay, so in this video, let's design the container space here. This is the template. Okay, and I'm in the container space Elementor editing interface. At the same time, you also need to open a borders page editing interface or menu or gallery. From those previous pages, we have to copy this section above, title section, and paste it here. Okay. Then next is this navigation Google map. For this, let's insert a one column section, full white, no gap. Okay, then insert the Google map. Okay, search the location here, for example height 350. Okay, then next section is this 3-column contact information section. Okay, for this, let's insert a 3-column section like this. The padding about 100 at the top, 100 at the bottom. And go to this column and give okay, let's give a padding about 20. Then background color little gray color. Okay, at the same time border it is about 30. Okay, after that, let's insert icon box or any information box widget here. Insert icon box. We do not need the icon, so yeah. Address, then insert the address here. Then we can copy or duplicate this column. Duplicate, delete the blank, duplicate, okay. Here let's change the first phone +91. Then email, sorry, paste media or okay. And here we need to insert margin between this column, so go to column setting and at the right side, let's give a padding about 10. Okay, at the same time, let's increase the top and bottom padding. Top 50, sorry, 50, bottom 50. Okay, here and go to this column, second column, padding about 5 to the left, 5 to the right, then yeah, 50 to the top, 50 to the bottom. Okay, and for the last column here, add margin about 10 pixel to the left, padding about 50 to the top, 50 to the bottom. Okay, just like this. Okay, okay, then this email contact form. For this, let's insert a one column section here. For the top, we do not need padding, but for the bottom, we can add about 150, and at the same time we can reduce the width of this section to about 800 pixel. Then let's insert left images. Okay, next form widget. Let's add margin about 40 to 12. Okay, and then name, email, and the messages. Okay, so let's go to the content, name, so hide the level. Okay, name wide 50% and email wide 50%. Then the button alignment to the right. Okay, send message. Okay, you can increase the input. For example, increase the button size to large. At the same time, we can also increase the form field size here to large. Like that. Okay, form name, contact. Okay, style and fill border radius 30. Okay, and here in the form, let's increase the row gap to about 20. At the same time, we can also increase the number 20. Okay, I think that's enough. That's it, and we are done with the container space. Okay, here, since we are using lots of margin here, margins and padding, we may have issue with responsiveness. So check it out. Let's see how it responds on the mobile screen. Okay, for the mobile we can make this message button centered. Okay, and then this okay for this, but here as you can see here it is not showing properly. So on mobile we can add margin to the top about 20. Sorry, yeah, that's okay. I guess here same thing here, let's insert about 20. Okay, for the map, okay, and that's fine too. That's it for this episode, and I think I will be starting to design the WooCommerce pages in the next episode. Yeah, or we'll be done, or we'll complete this video series in the next one video or two, next 2 episodes. Okay, stay tuned for the next upcoming episode. If you have any questions, doubts, don't hesitate to contact me, comment in the section or through WhatsApp. And if you have any video requests, for example, you want to design a website for yourself or for your friend or for your client, and you do not know how to do it, you can contact me. I will make a video about that. Okay, yeah, that's it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.